And joining me now from Cedar Park, Texas, with more about this very mission is Jason Kim. He's the CEO of Firefly Aerospace. Jason, great to have you on the show, and I'm sure you are excited.
Hey, Kristen, thank you for having me on the show. Yeah, super excited. I've never been more excited. We're about to land on the moon on Texas Independence Day, the 2nd of March. You can't plan things out even better than that. And the team is getting ready. They're rehearsed. They have done 40 plus days on orbit, taking care of a lot of objectives already. Over 19 gigabytes of data. A lot of it is just very immaculate videos of the Earth and the sun and the lunar surface that we've never seen before. So if you haven't seen those videos, I encourage you to see them. They're just immaculate, awe-striking. And then, we've done all the burns. We've done 7 major burns. We've taken a very pragmatic approach to how we get to the moon. It allows us to have flexibility to do makeup burns if we need to. We haven't had to yet because the rocket engineering at this company is just so exceptional. We've been hitting our Delta V targets on the spot. And now all we have left to do is just land on the moon. And that's going to be a huge success. If we are standing upright and stable, that's going to be even icing on the cake.
Amazing. So we have a sense of what success looks like, Jason. We've been talking about this mission launched on January 15th, nearly a 45-day journey. How has it gone so far?
Well, like I said before, the team has been doing these burns very successfully, accurately, to precision. So we've been doing really great in terms of the thrusting, in terms of our translunar injection and our lunar orbit insertion, and we're just 50 miles above the moon surface now. So in that whole process, we've also been taking data such as position, navigation, and timing data using our Italian Space Agency Luger payload. There's a radiation PC computer that's testing out new radiation-hardened electronics. And then just the videos that we're capturing, it's just so inspiring. We get so many inquiries about how all these missions are going to do when we land on the moon. We've got 14 days to demonstrate all the missions that we have on the vehicle. There's 10. That's the most of any commercial lunar payload services program to date. And we're just excited to see everything that we capture. One of the things I'm most excited about is getting the lunar sunset at the end of the mission. It's something that only the Apollo 15 and Apollo 17 astronauts have witnessed, and they've written a lot of notes. In fact, Eugene Cerna told us about this thing called the lunar horizon glow phenomenology, and we're going to be able to capture that in high definition video and then share it with the rest of the world.
That is amazing, Jason. In that particular imagery that you're set to capture, what will it be researched for? What can it unveil to scientists?
Well, there's a lot of solar and Earth interactions. So the place we're landing is really great for that kind of science collection. We're going to land on Mare Crisium, and that really helps us get some of that solar-Earth interaction that we could share with the science community to help lives on Earth. We're also going to look at the geography of the moon. We're going to see through subsurface drilling and collecting the moon's regolith and characterizing the dust, mitigating the dust, because that's a problem for astronauts in the future and robotic missions. There's just so much science that we're going to collect that's going to be game-changing. It's going to help lives on Earth as well. And then it's going to help support future exploration missions, because we might be able to mine rare earth minerals that are on the moon, things like helium-3, hydrogen, water. Those are all things that we really want to take advantage of in the future to enable more exploration to other planets and continue to do regular missions to the moon.
How does this particular mission, Jason, fit into Firefly's broader goals?
Well, our goal is to continue to launch our rockets at cadence And a lot of the rocket technology that goes into our rockets also goes into our lunar landers. And we want to land on the moon regularly, once a year. And we have an orbiter as well called Electra. And on our second Blue Ghost mission, our third Blue Ghost mission, we're going to have a tandem combination of our lunar landers on the surface of the moon and our Electra orbiting the moon to provide a long-haul communications relay. So all these technologies use the same carbon composite primary structures, the same flight computers, and the same rocket engines. So you could say that each product that we deliver at this company, they help each other because we're reducing risk for one another. They're all interrelated. And I'd like to say that our company, we have exceptional rocket engine technology at this company. It's proving itself on our lunar landers as well.
Jason Kim, we are rooting for you. We're going to be following this mission through the end, and we'll surely be hearing from Firefly, of course, in the week ahead. Jason Kim is the CEO of Firefly Aerospace, again joining us from Cedar Park, Texas. Thank you.
Thanks, Kristen.